Hey, what's up, Heaven of Aromas? I am back, and guess what I have today with me? This is DoTerra. You can see DoTerra. This is DoTerra Pebble, a new diffuser which I have ordered. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to show you what's in this box. See, this is DoTerra Pebble, a small diffuser. It has some instructions written on this side with what is there in the box. So let's open this. Okay, here I have a small manual. I really don't need these manuals anymore, but it's good if you are a first time user. Read how this machine works and it will be helpful. Here we have a diffuser which is packed like this, and I'm going to take it out. Okay, it came out, and I'm going to throw this. We have a small box inside this, and I'm going to throw this as well. Let's open this one first. So it's a small diffuser which fits on the palm of my hand. It's cute, isn't it? It has 2 hours, 5 hours and 10 hours function. I'm so excited. I'm going to now open this and see how it actually works. This is how it looks inside. And I'm going to now open this box. I don't have my camera adjusted properly because it's late night here and I don't want to delay making this video. I have an electrical socket plus a USB cable, so let's try how this actually works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some water in this, which I have in my glass here. Alright, now I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to close the lid, and this is a normal Android wire, by the way. Okay, it's in, and I'm going to turn it on. Yeah, it's working. It has, as you can see, it has different lights. This is violet. I'm bringing it closer to the camera. And I see the light is changing. It's a cute looking small diffuser. It's basically for smaller rooms, just like this, my table. And I am going to use it in my office. It is for my office on my desk. And in the water, I have not added any essential oils because I'm not going to use this diffuser now. I'm going to pack it up and take it to my office tomorrow. I will be adding in essential oils in the water. I have thought that, and it's very obvious for you to add in essential oils. and if you have electrical point, you can use this electrical socket as well. This is costing somewhere around 4,000 rupees. You can check this in DoTerra's website. I'll post the link below this video. And yes, that's pretty much about it. Real quick, I am at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. If you have any questions, comments, do post it below and I will answer you, and I will also let you know how this works for me. I hope this works good. See you next time.